Hello, this is Top Notch, and we have a 2008 Ford Taurus. Customer states, while driving, the car shuts off. Tested the battery. Battery was completely dead, so we charged the battery, put the new battery in, retested the battery, car started up, checked the voltage, and found out the alternator is not charging. So we're replacing the alternator on this vehicle. So to do this job, you have to take off upper radiator hose. Okay, so you are going to need about maybe 1 gallon to 2 gallons of antifreeze, and make sure to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Okay, and then you're going to disconnect your power wire here, which is going to be it's going to more likely be a 13mm socket. Take that nut off, and then you disconnect the connector here. Just here, just press the tab, pull out. And then you're gonna have a bolt and a stud there, which is gonna be a 15 nut, which is right here. And then you're gonna have this stud that I just took out. This part right here is gonna be a regular, don't use the 12-point socket, use a regular 6-point socket, and it's gonna be a 7mm. Take this out, and then you have another 15mm bolt that goes in the bottom of this alternator. Okay, but before you do all of this work, you gotta release the tension on the belt. There's gonna be a 3/8 long breaker bar in there. Apply tension to get the belt off, and then when you take out the alternator, you just wiggle it out. This is going to be facing up, and then you can wiggle it out, and there it is. Now we're getting ready to put the new alternator in. This is Top Notch. Make sure you subscribe if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. We just give you straight to the point, ways to get the job done. We do less talking, so we're mechanic friendly. If you have any tech questions, any updated information on new vehicles, we have all the knowledge, so just message us, inbox us. We are ASC certified as well, so we have a lot of experience. Again, this is a 2008 Ford Taurus, and we'll be back shortly with the installation. So this is Top Notch Mobile Repair. We just completed this alternator, and we have a customer here.
Hey, all I can say is, first of all, I walked in to clean my kitchen and came back and it looked like he was halfway done. So they're really about their business. I was panicking the night that I messaged him. It was like midnight, 1 o'clock. He responded in like 30 minutes. I even paused for like a couple of days because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. But even when I sent the message back saying, hey, the pricing is fair, I'll take that. Honestly though, it was like, the communication was great. But I was like, Friday night when it happened, I was like kind of distraught because I was like, another thing I have to pay for that I don't want to pay for it. But he asked me all the questions that he needed to know. He gave me the price. I thought the price was good. He came out, he fixed it literally. He said half the time he was not joking. I assumed he'd be out here for a couple hours. He was probably out here about an hour and got it done, and it's running. That's all I need is the car to start. So, and it looks good, everything fine. He took care of everything. He gave me some tips. So no, 100%. If I needed anything done else that I know I can't do personally, Top Notch is definitely going to be the way that I go, for sure.
All right, thanks, bro. Appreciate you.
Bro. No,
yes, sir. This is Top Notch. We have the 2008 Ford Taurus, and we just completed the alternator. The alternator is charged. It's getting 14.2 volts, which is in parameters. As you can see, there's no alternator. It's a fairly simple job. This job cost 1.5. We did it half that time. So yeah, there you go. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, inbox us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.